Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Surely you already know a lot of ways to lose weight, right? In it, food and diet play an important role. Choosing the right diet and the right foods will help you stay healthy and a sustainable way to lose weight. Today, we will learn about the top 5 best foods to help lose weight and burn belly fat. Let's get started. Visceral fat is linked to many health problems, such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, breast cancer, colon cancer, and dementia. That's why it's important to exercise and have a healthy diet to lose weight, stay fit, and boost your overall health. Measures include diet high in fiber, eat more protein, avoid eating trans fats, avoid sugar, reduce alcohol intake, avoid stress. Today, MrM Fitness and Health will share with you the top 5 recommended foods to burn belly fat. Let's start. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the few foods that should be classified as superfoods. They are loaded with nutrients, some of which are rare in the modern diet. The health benefits of eggs have been confirmed in human studies. Includes the following benefits. 1. Whole eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet, containing a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. Omega-3 enriched in or pastured eggs contain more of certain nutrients. 2. Eggs are high in cholesterol, but eating eggs does not adversely affect cholesterol in the blood for the majority of people. 3. Eating eggs consistently leads to elevated levels of HDL, the good cholesterol, which has historically been linked to a lower risk of many diseases. 4. Eggs are among the best dietary sources of choline, a nutrient that is incredibly important but most people aren't getting enough of. 5. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin are very important for eye health and can help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs are good sources of both antioxidants. 6. Omega-3 enriched and pastured eggs may contain significant amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Eating these types of eggs is an effective way to reduce blood triglycerides. 7. Eggs are fairly high in quality animal protein and contain all the essential amino acids that humans need. 8. Eggs are highly satiating and may reduce calorie intake later in the day. Regularly eating eggs may promote weight loss. So, we can see that eggs are one of the highest quality protein sources. It is like a regular source of protein that can keep you full for longer, has lower calories than fat, makes you eat less and thereby helps burn belly fat. The second food on the list is avocados. Avocados are a source of key nutrients, including healthy fats and fiber. They also contain anti-inflammatory, antioxidant compounds and may help reduce heart disease risk. Nutritious, versatile, and delicious, avocados have become a kitchen staple in many homes around the world. Avocados are extremely popular in the health and wellness world because they're highly nutritious and have been linked to several health benefits. Let's learn about the benefits of avocados. Avocados are rich in many nutrients, including fiber, healthy fats, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and folate. Enjoying them regularly could help improve overall diet quality. Avocados are rich in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Some evidence suggests that consuming avocados may benefit the health of the gut by improving bacterial diversity and reducing fecal bile acid concentration. Avocados are an excellent source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds like vitamin C, vitamin E, and the carotenoid lutein. Although avocados are high in calories, they're packed with nutrients and help promote satiety, thanks to their high fiber and healthy fat content. So, eating more high-fiber foods, like avocados, will be a good choice for those wishing to promote weight loss, reduce belly fat or maintain body weight. The third type of food that can enhance weight loss and reduce excess fat is berries. Berries are high in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which may protect your cells from free radical damage. The third type of food that can enhance weight loss and reduce excess fat is berries. Berries are high in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which may protect your cells from free radical damage. Berries are low in calories yet rich in several vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and manganese. They contain fiber, which may increase feelings of fullness, reduce appetite and the number of calories your body absorbs from mixed meals. Berries can be enjoyed on most diets. And they are really good for weight loss, reducing excess fat. The fourth type of food is kale. Loaded with important micronutrients and antioxidants, kale is one of the most nutritious leafy greens available. In fact, kale contains a variety of beneficial compounds, some of which have powerful medicinal properties. Plus, it's versatile and boasts a nutty, earthy flavor that works well in a wide range of recipes. Kale is low in calories and contains several important nutrients, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. They are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that aids in the synthesis of collagen and has many important roles in the body. Kale is extremely nutritious, naturally low in calories, and keeps you full for a long time, making it easy to follow a lower-calorie weight loss plan. The last food that helps to lose weight and reduce excess fat is chili peppers. Chili peppers are rich in various vitamins and minerals. Capsaicin, the main carotenoid in red chili peppers, is the main bioactive plant compound in chili peppers, responsible for their unique, pungent taste and many of their health benefits. Chili peppers provide some carbs and offer a small amount of protein and fiber. Chili peppers are rich in antioxidant plant compounds that have been linked to various health benefits. Chili peppers are associated with several health benefits. They may promote weight loss when combined with other healthy lifestyle strategies and may help relieve pain caused by acid reflux. Some evidence suggests that capsaicin can promote weight loss by reducing appetite and increasing fat burning. In fact, studies show that 10 grams of red chili pepper can significantly increase fat burning in both men and women. Another study observed a significant reduction in appetite and calorie intake only in those who did not regularly consume chili. So, together we have learned the top 5 best foods to help lose weight, reduce excess fat. Hopefully this video will help those who are looking to lose weight achieve what they want as quickly as possible. Subscribe to our channel, like and share to update our latest videos. And thanks for watching.